Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to offset entities. So as example, you can create new design and I will go to plan view. I will create rectangle objects into this drawing area. And if you want to offset these entities, you can click this icon, offset cube, and you can select the one object entities to offset one entities. So if you want to offset all entities, you can select the all entities and it will be automatically offset all entities. Now you can set for the offset distance, like I will set into 3, you can press enter. Okay, to offset the single or double, you can select the selected entities and you can offset like into here. So that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to offset entities. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.